In this clip, we shall show you the incision and drainage of Chalazion. The first step is to methodically wash and drape the area. Once this is done, topical anesthesia is established with 0.5% tetracaine. One to 2 ml of 2% lidocaine is injected around the chalazion through the skin. The chalazion clamp is applied now. It is applied in a manner that the solid plate is on the skin side and the fenestrated plate around the cyst. Now the screw of the chalazion clamp is tightened and the eyelid everted. The cyst is now incised at right angles to the lid margin. A curette is used to remove the contents of this cyst. Once the contents have been removed, the edge of the wound is grasped and a small triangular flap of tarsus and conjunctiva is removed from both the sides. The clamp is now removed and pressure applied on the lid till the bleeding stops.